you just came across the perfect stock image to showcase your latest design. The mottos pose, the lighting, it's all there. Except that the place in the photo where you want to put your design already has something on it. In this class, I'm going to show you how to easily remove existing designs from stock photos using Adobe Photoshop to make the perfect mockup base. My name is Thais. I'm an artist and a designer, and years ago, I worked with a children's brand that needed to present a new line to buyers before the products were actually made. The challenge was that not only the new samples weren't ready, but also they didn't have any blank products to use for mockups. So with the help of Adobe Photoshop, I was able to patiently erase all the designs from the previous products and replace them with a new print. This way, I was able to showcase the latest collection effectively, and the catalog and the new line were a success. This class was also inspired by a student question I'd received about using stock images with existing designs. That's when I realized that this technique deserved its own spotlight. So consider it a prequel to my class on creating mockups with Adobe Photoshop, which I'll link to in the class description. We'll dive right into Photoshop retouching tools, like the clone stamp, the content-aware fill, the healing brush, the patch tool, and don't worry, these skills aren't just useful for removing designs. You can also use them to erase any unwanted objects from your photos. So if you ever had a great stock image that just needed a little tweak to become the perfect mockup, you're in the right place. Let's get started.